Welcome to this YouTube SEO course, and this video is the fourth lecture of this course. And in this video I'm going to talk about watch time. So let's get started. So watch time is very important these days on YouTube. So there was a time when the number of views was everything, but it's not like that these days. Now you need to have more watch time instead of more views. It doesn't mean that you don't need views. You need views, number of views, a lot of views, but along with the number of views, you need better watch time. So let me explain. You can see that this video is 17 minutes long. Okay, now let me take you to video analytics. So this video is 17 minutes long, but average view duration is 2 minutes 39 seconds. So imagine if your video is 1 or 2 minutes long, then your average view duration is going to be less than 1 minute, most probably. So what happens then is YouTube ranks your video on search results if your video has good watch time. So you need to understand that YouTube ranks your video better if your video has longer average view duration. So that's how it works. So what you can do is you can make longer videos, especially videos that are longer than 10 minutes. Those videos work better on YouTube. But that being said, I want to tell you something. If you are starting your YouTube channel, if you're uploading your first 5 to 10 videos, then don't focus on watch time. Focus on the quality of your video. Provide quality content, and once people are coming in, once people get engaged in your videos, then you can start focusing on watch time and start making longer videos. That way you can engage your audience and get more watch time at the same time. That's how it works. And another thing is there's something called session time. It's similar to watch time, but the difference is if you are watching one video and then you click on another video and then another video, that means you're spending more time on YouTube. So that's the session time. So if someone clicks your video and spends more time on YouTube after that, so that's going to help you rank on search result, because YouTube thinks that because of your video, people are watching videos on YouTube. That's how it works. So what you can do is, one thing you can do is use end screen. Let me show you. This is the video, and at the end it shows end screens. So these end screens can help people to click on a video and then go to another video, and two things can happen. One thing is that people are spending more time on YouTube. Another thing is people are clicking your videos. People are not going anywhere else, but they are on your channel, not going to any other channels. So that way you can benefit a lot. So that's how watch time works. So you need to focus on watch time, and if you are able to increase your average view duration, that's going to rank your videos on search result better. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video.